वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां यस्य कृपाकटाक्षाभ्यां शुभं सर्वं प्रवर्तते दयाराशिं दयानन्दं वन्देऽहं सादरं विनम्। எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். தமிழ் ரொம்ப கொஞ்சம் தெரியும், அதனால் ஆங்கிலத்தில் பேசுகிறேன். Namaskaram to all the Swamijis who are on the dais. Namaskaram to all of you who have come to this inaugural function of Arsha Vidya Peetham, Urbanpet. I congratulate Swami Devanand Ji for taking this initiative of spreading the message of our Sanatana Dharma, Vaidika Dharma, which is giving holistic growth in life. Our culture, generally known as Indian culture, has got real name Vedika Samskriti, Vedic culture, because it is based on Vedas and Veda related texts. It is called Sanatana Dharma because it is not limited to a particular time or place. And these Vedas and Veda related texts, they are called Arsha Vidya, the knowledge which is imparted by the rishis. And this Arsha Vidya, which is Vedas and Veda related texts, are broadly divided into two parts. The first part is called Karma Kanda, which is talking about Dharma. The second part is called Vedanta, which is talking about the true nature of the self, which is limitless. So the first part of Vedas deals with Dharma, and this Dharma is talking about three things. Dharma has got three aspects. The first aspect is duties, second aspect is values, and the third aspect is attitude. So first of all, our Shastra emphasizes on duties. Everybody is playing some role, and every role has some script. So following the script of the role is called duty of the person. If you are a father, you are playing the role of a father. As a father, you have duties. You are playing the role of a mother. As a mother, you have duties. Similarly, as a citizen, you have duties. As a son, you have duties. Daughter, you have duties. So duties are emphasized. There are some general duties which are to be followed by all, and that is called Pancha Mahayajna. 5 dedicated activities are called Pancha Mahayajnas. The first is called Deva Yajna. We express our gratitude to the gods, to the Lord, by offering our puja. That is called Deva Yajna. Then we have got Pitru Yajna, taking care of our parents when they are alive. And even after they have departed, we offering Shraddha, etc. That is Pitru Yajna. Then we have got Rishi Yajna, otherwise called Brahma Yajna. Means studying the Shastra, teaching the Shastra, and helping people to teach Shastra. So what we are doing now is a part of Brahma Yajna. Arsha Vidya Peetham is going to do the activities of Brahma Yajna, helping people to study Shastras. The fourth is called Manushya Yajna, service to the humanity. And the fifth is Bhuta Yajna, serving the animals, plants and all other beings. So these are the 5 yajnas, 5 dedicated activities to be done by everybody. Second thing is this attitude. Our culture is emphasizing the attitude of reverence to everything. I respect everything because our vision is all that is here is Ishvara, and therefore I respect everything. Especially Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava means you treat your parents, mother and father like Ishvara. Acharya Devo Bhava, treat your teachers like the Lord. Atithi Devo Bhava means may you treat the guest like Ishvara. So the attitude of reverence is highlighted in our Shastra. And also, while doing the action, may I have attitude of worshipping the Lord through the action. When I receive any result, I have prasad buddhi. So the attitude also is highlighted. And values, honesty, non-violence, truthfulness, straightforwardness, accommodation. So all these values are also forming the part of. So Dharma has got duties, attitude and values. When you follow Dharma properly, then you become ready for the next part of the Vedas, for Vedanta. And Vedanta gives the knowledge of yourself which is limitless. So the vision of Vedanta is all that is here is Ishvara, and that Ishvara you are. And by this knowledge, you become free from the bondage of samsara, bondage of the sukha dukkha. Thus the vision of Vedas is prepare yourself by following Dharma, get the knowledge by Shravana, Manana and Vidyasanam, and by this knowledge you become free. So prepare, get knowledge, be free is the message of Vedas. And I am sure this Arsha Vidya Peetham will help people to attain this goal of moksha through spreading the dharma and spreading the message of Vedanta. I wish all the best for the activities of Arsha Vidya Peetham.